You ready? Going on a bear hunt.
Going on a bear hunt.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Got my gun.
Got my gun.
Got my pack.
Got my pack.
Okay. Open the door. Close the door. Look to the right of you. See any bears?
No.
Okay. Look to the left of you. See any bears? We're going to have to walk out in the woods and see if we find some bears. Here's the hill. Go up the hill.
Going up the hill.
Oh, and go down the hill. Field of grass. Here we go. Bridge. Swamp. Walk through the swamp. There's a tree. Let's climb the tree and see what we can see. Okay, look around. You see anything? A cave. I see a cave. Let's go down. It's dark in here. What are those two eyes I see?
A bear.
A bear?